The bad side of Tesla wheels is they kind of are prone to cracking, just like BMW or Mercedes. And it's mainly the Model S 21-inch wheels. And the Model Y, like the bigger wheel that you get, the more prone it is to cracking on a Tesla. So like the Tesla 19s, the Model S 19s, we've literally never welded a crack on one of those. The 19-inch wheel is a little bit heavier, to be honest. So it's just built better. And then the 21 is made for speed and power. It's really not for hitting curbs. It's a little bit lighter weight, so it's more susceptible to cracking and bending, which I'm sure every Tesla owner out there can attest to because it's a pretty common problem. The Model 3 20s, I wouldn't even own a set of those because your tire is like a 30 series and there's no protection from curbs. If you have a Model 3, I would recommend the 19s, but probably more so the 18s, and your life will be far more hassle-free.